Hi Buildspace, my name is Eric. I'm building Cocinerio. It's a new way to share recipes and to cook them and earn points and to find out who's the best cook of them all. So this week I updated the landing page based on last week's lectures. They were really good, so I just revamped everything. And the message is clearer and shows you the different ways you can interact with the site, the different gifts you are provided, and some starting recipes so you can start cooking now, and everything redirect so you can search for more recipes and start cooking. I have also added the leaderboard and I have included the recipes published and the recipes cooked. So it is clear that both of these things affect how many points you get as a cook, and so everyone is more motivated to create also recipes but also cook them. If you go ahead and try a recipe, you can actually change the portion sizes, and this will be converted in each different ingredient. But also you can change it to the different metric systems, Imperial and metric, so you can quickly make a shopping list for your next meal. Once you have selected the different ingredients that you have for this time of cooking, you can go ahead and click start for cooking, and you will be presented with the different ingredients and the different steps that you will be able to follow with a detailed video of the action you have to perform for each recipe. You also get a timer of the suggested time for each step, so you can follow along and also improve your time cooking each recipe. Once you finish, you can go ahead and finish the recipe, and this will be logged in the consumption tab of the admin. You can see all the ingredients you have used and all the recipes that you also have cooked. So this is it. I invite you to go ahead and create a new recipe and share with others how to cook like you like. Thanks.